Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the length of a video in Canva. For example, if you would like to increase the length of the video or if you would like to make the video shorter. First, you will need to go onto canva.com and you are going to sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for completely free. After you have done that, you can choose the design that you would like to use. For example, I have selected videos. Then I'm going to be creating a 19 by 20 video. So I'm going to tap on create blank. Once you have done that, you are going to be redirected to a new page and you are going to see a blank canvas. Now you are going to add your video. So for example, if I were to go over to the top left hand corner, select design, then let's say I were to add this video to the timeline, you can see that automatically the video length is now 10 seconds, as you can see right here. Now to increase the video length, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see the scissors and 10 seconds in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can pull along the slider right here. So you can see at the moment it is at 19 seconds and you can pull it up to 28.7 seconds. And if you would like it to be less than that, you can pull it to the left, as you can see right there, to make the video shorter. But with each page you can increase it to up to 28 seconds, as you can see right there. You can see the duration right there, or you can tap on duration right here, and then you could add another page if you would like to add another page. And that's it. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on share. Then from there you can choose whether you would like a downloadable link, or you can tap on download, and from there you'll be able to download your video. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.